Hello, you reading books? Yeah, what's your favorite book? Which one do you like the most? Oh, is that your favorite book? Oh, do you like reading this one? You do? Do you want to read it right now? Oh, we're going to read this book. Come on over, let's read a book. Are you ready? Here. Oh yeah, grab your bottle. Here we go. We're going to read a book with my baby, Adelaide. Are you ready, Adelaide?